So I'm here at one of the biggest indoor swap meets in all of Los Angeles. I'm gonna service not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven, not eight, not nine, but 10 machines that we're servicing here at the indoor swap meet. So I'm here with one of my best scales in all of California. This piece is really good because of the foot traffic. Saturdays and Sundays, all this right here is flowing with people. Those machines are not mine. They're old as hell. But it doesn't matter because as long as it's right there and there's people, there's quarters. So far, from the other 3 machines, I've collected this. I unlocked the back. I unlocked it. It protects the door. And now we're going to open up this. Okay. Here. Okay. Alright, cool. So this is one of my best antiques. And it's very slow actually. Could have done more. But anyway, that's the way it is during the pandemic. So we're done collecting from all the machines. I'm gonna go inside where there's no cameras allowed, but I'm gonna show you what the machines did outside before I even go in. And the majority of the money came from all the antique scales that you saw.